Wix not accepting payments. Hello viewers, if you're facing the issue that Wix is not accepting payments, so this is the video in which you can learn how to fix it. So let's get started. In step number 1, confirm your account is activated. Log into your Wix dashboard and check if your payments account still requires activation. If you see a setup payments or continue setup message, follow the steps provided. Wix may need additional business or verification details. Look for alerts and notifications at the top of your dashboard. Complete any pending forms to avoid payment restriction. Then move to step number 3, switch to a supported browser. For best results, use a desktop computer with Google Chrome and clear your browser cache if needed. Step number 4, contact Wix support if payments are still blocked. If activation is still incomplete after trying these fixes, reach out to their support. Support options include you can live chat through your Wix dashboard or you can email support via the help center. You can also contact phone support. It are vary depending on your region. And that's how you will be able to fix Wix not accepting payments issue.